So hello and welcome to another AVAX update. Avalanche is moving into the direction of the target area here in green, the wave 2. Similar story to Terra Luna. I've just published the Terra Luna video where the target actually has been reached already. We talked about that because we already talked about that in the last video, by the way, because I see this here as an impulsive wave 1 where we peaked at pretty much $99 US. We then came down in a wave A, we moved up in a wave B. Even when we made here a slightly higher high, I left my target on the chart because this was just an overshooting wave B, 3-wave move. And we are now coming down quite impulsively. So my view would be that we are coming down here in this wave 2 area. And the ideal retracement for a wave 2 would be between the 61.8% Fibonacci level that is here at $70. Yeah, a little bit higher. One sec, I just move the fibs here a little bit more accurately. Okay, so here, yeah, pretty much $71 is the 61.8% fib level, and between the 88.7, which is at $58. So somewhere in here I would expect the price to go into and then turn around here. Now, what I told you in the last video already is that the 50% Fibonacci level is the minimum requirement for a wave 2 correction. So that was obviously reached already. That is at $76, so that was already reached. Yeah, so it could already theoretically turn around here. Now, personally, again, most likely would at least be the 61.8, maybe even the 78.6 or the 88.7. So somewhere between 70 and 58 US dollars. But of course, it could turn around already here. Now, that immediate downtrend would be over. So first of all, we broke out of this descending channel already. Now that is not a big problem. The downtrend is technically still at play because we haven't made a higher high yet. But it is still a reason to look closely now at the chart because the turnaround could happen already. Yeah. So obviously we've been coming down in this channel. We started the downtrend here pretty much at $103. Then we could define this descending trend line that has been broken pretty much yesterday evening UK time. Okay, so we broke out of it, retested it, yeah, but we don't really see the volume and therefore not much is happening. Now there's something very interesting going on here. There is a first point, I think if we break above that, that can take it much higher. So if we, I mean, we're on the 4-hour chart here, maybe I'll go to the 1 hour. Let me go to the 1-hour chart. Yeah, okay, so this is the level here at $78, where I think if we break above that, that can be a buy signal. Yeah, at least here on the 1 hour. Of course, on the 1 hour it's not that relevant, but this would be an important level here, $78. I wouldn't see the downtrend to be over even if we break above that. There could be some short-term upside, yeah, and the short-term upside could take us to the next level here at $81, $82. Yeah, it's a bit of a range here between $81 and $82. Maximum here would be that 80, pretty much 82, yeah. So above 78, there's a good potential that it can take us here to the next resistance, yeah, to the upside. And that is the, and that is a very, very relevant level here around $81, $82. So why is that the case? First of all, this is the 38.2% Fibonacci level. So it's a fib level. Yeah. If you climb above that, that would be very helpful for the next price increase. So if you look at the chart here, what I do expect is that wave 2 to play out. Now, again, it could already have played out with that 50% retracement. Yeah, I can't tell you exactly where the low would be. Absolutely not. It's probabilities, yeah. So we can get an understanding of that, and then we need to watch other indicators, support and resistance as well, to understand if the uptrend has already started. It would then go into that wave 3 area here. That is what I would expect. After wave 2, you get into the wave 3 area. I would at the moment expect it to be around $130, maybe more. Okay, so from here, when we go to that very important $81, $82 level, that is not only because it's a fib level here, no, this is also the previous swing high. Now in a downtrend is over as soon as you break above that above the previous swing high. So as you can see here, we came down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, downtrend at play, lower low, lower high, downtrend at play, lower low, lower high, downtrend at play, lower low, lower high, and so on. Yeah, we didn't really, this is the major swing. I mean, we made these small in between highs, yeah, but this is the major swing high. So you've got those major major swing here. This is one, there would have been one here, yeah. So these are those swing highs, and if you break above this one, in my opinion, the downtrend is over. So from here I would get more bullish again, yeah. At the moment I remain short-term bearish, so I think the downtrend isn't over yet. It will get more likely that the downtrend is over if we break above that $78 level. It's a bit higher than 78 though. It's around here. If I move it all the way to the top of the wick, it would be 78.50. Yeah, but again, prices are dynamic, but around about that area, I would expect the price is over. If you then see the volume come in, this could fuel that trend, start a new uptrend, yeah. And then above the $81, $82, that is when I think, right, if we break above it, ideally you get a retest on the 4 hour or even the daily, then I think the downtrend is over and you can start moving higher. And then I think the low is already in here with that $73 level. I mean, bear in mind, I told you already here, yeah, that we are gonna make another wave B, and then that we are gonna come down here into the region around $70. We came down to 73, so honestly it already is very close, and the 50% fib retracement has been reached. So we need to understand and watch the chart very closely in these instances, and when you then get back into a confirmed uptrend, then that might be, and I'm not your financial advisor, that might be a long opportunity where we could get into this wave 3 area, yeah. So that is AVAX at the moment. Highly interesting chart, not too much happening at the moment, but we are preparing here currently for a potential breakout, yeah. We're preparing at the moment, but bear in mind what we did here looks very similar. Look at the fractal, yeah, where we also tried to break that previous high, yeah, did the same stuff, where you came down, made a lower low, you made a lower high. So we did the same here, lower low, lower high, and then we came down, and then we tried here as well in this region to break above the previous rejection points, failed, and then crashed down. So in no way this is confirmed yet, yeah, that we are starting to move up from here. We are still technically in a downtrend, therefore still short-term bearish, and really the confirmation for me will only be there above $81, $82. That's my view on AVAX. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership, where you can get access to the Discord server, the Telegram live chat groups, a weekly live stream. There is one today at 1700 UTC. As silver member, you get access to Telegram and Discord, and as a gold member, in addition to that, you would also get access to my analysis of certain stocks and shares and entry and exit points that I use. And also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And for both, you can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.